Hey guys, so I did a quick potato harvest tonight. This is just one tier of the green stuff, and as you can see, everything was pretty much dead. So I went all through this dirt and got out all the potatoes. Here's what I got. That's just from one tier, and none of them are really big, but I mean, they're baby potatoes. I'm good with that. It's more than I started with. So I'm going to weigh this bowl. And let's see, I'm gonna do this. Whoops. Zero out the scale. And then we will put these guys in here and see how many pounds we got. So far we're I think maybe almost a pound, or no, over a pound and a half. I'm gonna pause you for a second. Okay, so all of them are in there, and we have 2.12 2 pounds 16 ounces, so basically 3 pounds of red Norland potatoes. So this green stalk of potatoes will be next, and it's either Yukon Gold or blue potatoes, but I'm not sure which one, so we'll see. I got more potatoes here, but they all still have signs of life, as well as these and these and these. And over in the yellow green stalk up top, those are potatoes also, but they're not quite ready yet.